In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to pay your Wells Fargo credit card from another bank account. Let's get started. First and most convenient method is to use the Wells Fargo mobile app or the Wells Fargo website. Simply sign in to Wells Fargo online account or open the mobile app. Then go to pay and transfer and select make a payment. If you haven't linked your external bank account yet, tap pay from and choose add an account from another financial institution. Enter your other bank's routing number and account number, then follow the verification step if prompted. Once the account has been added, select it as your payment source. Enter the amount you want to pay, choose the payment date, review the details, and confirm your payment. This method lets you easily track your payment status from your Wells Fargo account. Another easy option is to use your other bank's online bill pay service. Log into checkings or savings account at bank, open bill pay section and choose to add a new payee. Enter Wells Fargo credit card as the payee. Type your full 16-digit Wells Fargo credit card number as the account number. And if you are asked for mailing address, use the payment address printed on Wells Fargo credit card statement. After saving the payee, enter your payment amount, choose the delivery date and submit the payment. Your bank will send the payment directly to Wells Fargo. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.